Why do saving money matter? Saving money is important. It's the foundation of financial security and independence. Before going deeper into the reason why you should save, please like and share this video. Now, savings is about having control over your money. When you save, you're not just setting aside cash, you're taking charge of your financial future. When you save, you can reach your goals. Whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or starting a business, saving makes it possible. You won't have to worry about debt. By saving, you can avoid the stress and burden of high-interest loans and credit card debt. Imagine buying a car without stress. With savings, you can make large purchases without the anxiety of financial strain. That's the power of saving. It gives you the freedom to make choices that improve your quality of life. Saving gives you peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion can reduce anxiety and help you sleep better at night. You'll be ready for unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and having savings means you're prepared for emergencies. Saving helps you build a brighter future. It's not just about the present. It's about creating opportunities for yourself and your loved ones. Start small and watch your savings grow. Even small amounts can add up over time, leading to significant financial growth. Take control of your finances today. Start saving. It's never too late to begin, and the benefits will last a lifetime.
2. What's your money roadmap? Saving money doesn't have to be hard. Open a savings account. It's the first step towards financial security. By having a dedicated place for your savings, you create a clear boundary between your spending money and your savings. It's a safe place to keep your money. Set up automatic transfers. This way you won't forget to save, and it becomes a seamless part of your financial routine. Automating your savings ensures consistency and helps you build a habit. Treat savings like a bill. Pay yourself first. Prioritize your future by making savings a non-negotiable part of your budget. Just like you wouldn't skip paying your rent or utilities, don't skip your savings. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need that extra subscription or those impulse buys? Do you really need that daily latte? Small daily expenses add up over time. Consider brewing your coffee at home to save money. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Use budgeting apps. These apps can help you track your spending and stay on top of your financial goals. They provide insights into your spending patterns and highlight areas where you can save. They help you track your spending and find areas to save. By monitoring your expenses, you can make informed decisions and adjust your budget as needed. Small changes make a big difference over time. Setting clear savings goals can motivate you to stay on track. Every little bit counts, and over time, these small changes can lead to significant savings. Say in the comments below, I prioritize my savings.
Meet Sarah, a single mum who saved $10,000 in a year. She started small, packing her lunch and cutting back on entertainment. John and Mary used the envelope system to save for their dream vacation. They paid with cash and avoided debt. These stories prove that anyone can save with discipline and a plan. You can achieve your financial goals too.
Number 4. Emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. Unexpected events can catch us off guard. An emergency fund is crucial for unexpected events. It acts as a financial cushion. Car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can happen to anyone. These situations can be stressful and costly. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved protects you. This buffer can help you manage through tough times without financial strain. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month. Consistency is key, and over time, your fund will grow. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial security. Knowing you have a safety net allows you to focus on other financial goals and enjoy life without constant worry. Building an emergency fund is a step towards financial independence. It empowers you to handle life's uncertainties with confidence. Remember, every little bit counts. Start today and secure your financial future.
Number 5. Take action. Now secure your future. You've learned about saving strategies and the importance of an emergency fund. Now it's time to take action. Open a savings account today. Set a savings goal and make a plan to achieve it. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe now for more tips on achieving financial freedom.